Assalamu alaikum. Myself Dr. Ansari Farzana W, Department of Chemistry, J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Welcome all of you. In the previous video, we have seen about the efficiency of extraction, which depends upon the two factors, distribution ratio and volume ratio of the organic and liquid phases. And also we have seen the different factors which are affecting on solvent extraction. And if the number of extraction increases, the efficiency of solvent extraction is also increased. Today we shall discuss about the different type of extraction system and their application. Type of extraction system. It is often more useful to classify extraction system in accordance with the extractant or solvent system used. It is well known fact that the uncharged organic molecule tend to dissolve in the organic layer, while the charged anion from the ionized molecule remains in the aqueous layer. In other words, you may say that like dissolve like. The solubility of metal ion in organic layer is low. In order to increase their solubility, something must be added to make the organic like. Following are the important way of doing this. Ion association complex. In some cases, the metal ion is inserted into the bulky molecule and then it associates with another ion of the opposite charge to form the ion pair in the organic layer. Solvation. In case of solvation, either basic or acidic extractant, that means extracting solvent, that means organic layer extractant system are used. The principle is the same as described in the basic extraction system. Solvent like tri-noctylamine, tri-N-butyl phosphate, etc. are used for extraction purpose. In case of acidic extractant system, solvent like dialkyl phosphoric acid and carboxylic acid are used for extraction purpose. Chelate formation. This is the most widely used method in the extraction of metal ion. Chelating agent from the reasonably strong coordinate bond with metal ion. Chelate thus form are often insoluble in water but are soluble in organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon tetrachloride or methylene chloride. Organic precipitating agent like 8-hydroxyquinoline, dimethylglycine, cupron, etc. are used as chelating agent. Synergistic extraction. Synergistic agent from the complexes with metal ion which can be extracted in organic solvent. For example, addition of neutral organ compound to acid organophosphorus compound enhance in extraction. Technique of solvent extraction makes use of the two solvents. One solvent is water and the second solvent is generally organic solvent. The choice of second solvent is governed by the following consideration. A high distribution ratio for the solute and low distribution ratio for undesirable property. एक्सट्रैक्टिंग सॉल्यूट ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसमें सॉल्यूट जो है ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो और इम्प्योरिटी ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ना हो. लो सॉल्युबिलिटी इन द एक्वियस फेज. एक्वियस फेज में उसकी सॉल्युबिलिटी कम हो, ऑर्गेनिक फेज में सॉल्युबिलिटी ज़्यादा हो. Sufficiently low viscosity and sufficient density difference from the aqueous phase to avoid the formation of emulsion. Low toxicity and inflammability. ease of recovery of solute from the solvent from subsequent analytical processing. Following three types of techniques are used in solvent extraction: batch extraction, continuous extraction, and counter current extraction. Batch extraction. This mixture is shaken. The mixture is shaken to bring the two liquids in intimate contact so that solute can passes from one liquid phase to another liquid phase. यानी बार बार एक्सट्रैक्शन करने को कहता है, बार बार एक लॉट में नहीं बल्कि एक दफ़ा शेक करना, फिर निकाल लेना, फिर दूसरी मरतबा डालना ऑर्गेनिक लेयर, फिर शेक करना, फिर निकालना, फिर तीसरी मरतबा ऑर्गेनिक लेयर डालना और शेक करना, निकालना, बार बार। ये प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? बैच एक्सट्रैक्शन और मल्टीपल एक्सट्रैक्शन। Continuous extraction technique is used for extraction of solid which have low distribution ratio. This procedure makes the use of continuous flow of immiscible solvent through the solution to be extracted. कंटिन्यूस एक्सट्रैक्शन में क्या रहता है? सेपरेटिंग फनेल नहीं यूज़ होती है बल्कि ऐसा एपरेटस यूज़ होता है कि जिस पर जो एक्वियस फेज में सॉल्यूट है जिसको हमें एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है उसके ऊपर से कंटिन्यूसली ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट को फ्लो किया जाता है थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन टू बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड. The apparatus used in continuous extraction are Chelate apparatus. The solution containing the solute and the extracting liquid are brought in contact continuously and hence the solute is continuously extracted by the solvent and accumulated in a reservoir. Solvent extraction. Out of these methods available for separation of solute, solvent extraction is one of the best methods used in analytical chemistry. It offers following advantages. It is based on the simple principle that solute can distribute itself in a certain ratio between two immiscible solutes. It requires a simple apparatus such as separating funnel. It can be used over a wide range of concentration, that means from micro level to macro level. The separation is rapid. It can be used for the purpose of preparation, purification, concentration, separation, and analysis on all scale of working. The operation of technique is easy, simple, and speedy. Application of solvent extraction. The technique of solvent extraction finds its application in analytical chemistry. Many organic reagents form colored chelate with metal, but most of the chelate are insoluble in water. They are, however, soluble in organic solvent and can be easily extracted by organic solvent. The metal ion concentration is then determined by spectrophotometric method in visible region. Some application of solvent extraction technique in analytical chemistry are: it is used for the determination of iron as 8-hydroxyquinolate. Ferric ion in the range of 50 to 200 microgram can be extracted from aqueous phase with the help of 1% solution of 8-hydroxyquinoline in the chloroform by double extraction. That means ferric ion can be extracted with the help of organic solvent 8-hydroxyquinoline. And aluminium do not interfere. Cerium, nickel at pH 2 to 2.5, nickel, cobalt, cerium third and aluminium do not interfere. Ferric oxygenate, a dark colored solution in chloroform, absorb the radiation at 470 micromil. Determination of uranium as 8-hydroxyquinolate. Uranium 4 may be extracted and determined from the aqueous solution by adding 8-hydroxyquinolate as 8-hydroxyquinolate in a concentration up to 900 microgram at pH of 8.8 in the presence of a little ADTA. The oxygenate complex absorbs 400 millimicron Many interfering elements like iron and aluminium may be masked by the increasing the quantity of EDTA present in the solution. Determination of lead in blood. After the organic matter is destroyed, the blood sample is treated with diathiazole chelating agent. The metal chelate of lead is formed and it is extracted into methylene chloride at pH 8 to 10. The amount of lead in blood is determined spectrophotometrically. This method is used in drug analysis. Determination of copper in cast iron, alloy, steel, solder, etc. Neocuprone can, under certain conditions, behave as a almost specific complex agent for cuprous copper. The complex is soluble in chloroform. Thus, copper from solder or alloy steel or cast iron is first obtained in the aqueous phase and then complexed with neocaprone and extracted with chloroform. The complex absorbed at 450 millimicron. The amount of copper can be determined by spectrophotometric method. Similarly, the process of extraction may be applied to the following important determination. For determination of copper as diethyl dithiocarbamate complex, determination of beryllium as acetone complex, determination of molybdenum by thiocyanate method. Thank you for watching.